How to lock chats on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily lock your chats on WhatsApp. Now, as you know, WhatsApp has a feature or allows you to lock your chats. Now it's quite simple. If you're wondering how you can lock your chat, then you have come to the right video. You want to simply open up your WhatsApp application and you want to simply open up the chat that you wish to lock. Now in my case, I'll just open up this chat here. You want to simply open up a chat and you want to head into the chat info, or what you can do is here on the chat you want to tap on the profile, and once you tap on profile here you want to tap on the eye icon that you can see here. Once you tap on it, you want to scroll down below and there you can see various options, and you can see chat lock option above create group option. And I simply tap on chat lock option and you can see keep this chat locked and hidden. Use your fingerprint to open this chat and read notifications on this phone. You can simply lock this chat with fingerprint by simply enabling this option by tapping and toggling this option. It'll ask you for fingerprint. I'll just type in quickly. I'll just enter in my fingerprint here and you can see the chat has been locked. If I head back here, you can see now you can see the chat has disappeared, and under lock chats you'll be able to see the chat there. So this way you can easily lock chats on WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.